What's up, Insadia? This is Nick. Shout out to Daniel Ford. I'm gonna do a review on MPC stuffs, pad corks, to improve the sensitivity of a machine. I really like tapping on acoustic kits. Got it from their website for $15 on a sale. And I got an installation guide as well on YouTube. Install NI Maschine pad corks sensitivity kit. So I'm gonna bust this open and install it, and hopefully it'll be a marginal sensitivity improvement for velocity on acoustic kits. So let's get cracking. So the machine has been opened up, all the screws taken out. We'll just come over here. And, the pad corks have been installed. Yeah, I think you got about a millimeter lip going on there. So I'm going to install it back in and get it on. So all the pads have been installed. There's a few left over, but I guess they're spares. So other than that, I'm going to have to tighten up the motherboard a bit on the bottom few screws. Some of them have become very sensitive, some of them haven't, so I guess I've undergauged the screws to make them very flush. But other than that, it has improved, especially in the MIDI mode. You know, normally in standard mode it'd be much more sensitive, and MIDI mode isn't so sensitive. I've loaded up a kit, an acoustic kit, and it's triggering very well. Turn it up a bit. Yeah, some of the screws need to be tightened up a bit more. It's triggering fine. Yep. I'm tapping very lightly. You have to tighten up on that side. Kicks very good. Yeah, so it's just a question of tightening up the screws. Undergauged some and overgauged some, I think. Yep, it's become much more sensitive there. So that's about it briefly there. Some good stuff. Peace.